Hello, I'm Jessica and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing video. I bought these Planetbox items that came out. They sent out the email about them, ordered them right away, and these have been at my house a little too long. I meant to do this earlier. Today, this video is just gonna be an unboxing and my first impressions of the item itself to hopefully give you an unbiased opinion. And then in a little bit, I wanna come out with a video once I've had a chance to test them all to really give you guys an idea. If there's anything you want me to test in them, let me know. And without further ado, let's unbox this. Gotta have your tools. Harbor Freight special. And here is what I got, just a quick view. So I got the Mercury food container. I got the Trailhead snack container, and it could be I buy a second one of these, we shall see. Then I have the magnet that comes with this Mercury food container. Then I have the 3-piece tool set and the prep to pack perfect size baking tray. So this is what is in the box. Let's do this magnet. This is the Interstellar magnet that I picked. We think space is cool. And so this is the magnet. And these do not go in the dishwasher. You can use them on top of things, but don't wash them. We have washed a few of ours accidentally, and once or twice in the dishwasher isn't a big deal, but they can get ruined and it'll start coming up. Here is the Mercury food container. It is a vacuum sealed container. It keeps the food hot and cold. So this has a lid that unscrews, and so I wanna see how easy or how hard this is for my kids to open, and I'm gonna test it myself too, just to see. So it says Planetbox on the handle. That's very nice. I love how solid all their stuff is. So there's the Planetbox symbol, and it holds 1.5 cups, 10 fluid ounces. And then it also has 296 milliliters. And then it has the date it was made. So it has a gasket here that looks like you can take it out for cleaning. So that's nice. Yeah, that comes off really easily. Let's see how easily it goes back on. Okay, that's not too bad. There's that. And then it's just stainless steel. I do like how simple their products are because I feel like there's less things to break, get nasty, or go wrong. So there is that. This always stays up. It doesn't bend. I wasn't sure if it did. And then this magnet goes here. So it's nice. It's a little loud, but that's because the gasket is just around this part. But we will try this out and get back to you. But I love the look of it. If for whatever reason you're so inclined, I wanted to see if this fit in this front pouch in the carry bag, and it does. So that definitely fits there. So that's kind of nice to know that this will fit there. So if for whatever reason your kid's drink is separate and you want to send something in here, like maybe they take breakfast and lunch and the oatmeal's in here, that's a pretty cool thing that it fits in there. So these are a set of 2 baking trays. These are dishwasher safe, non-toxic, BPA free, and they're silicone. These are a lot thicker and sturdier than I expected, which is kind of nice. So this part's very soft, but this edge is definitely reinforced with like a hard plastic so that it won't get all wobbly on you. Pretty much, this is what I was almost most excited about that they came out with, which I know is very extra. All right, so here you go. I definitely love the metal rim on this because, as you can see, my only gripe with silicone things is that there's no structure to them. So these are the outside is structure, but then the inside is still silicone. Where if I wish they would make a normal muffin tray like this, but this is how I'll probably be making my muffins in the future. So they have a kind of speckled one, which I like. It looks kind of like terrazzo. And then they have a turquoise one. It looks blue here in this picture, but it is definitely, with my lighting, I don't know why, but it is solid, like a nice dark turquoise. And the main reason that I wanted to get these is they're made to fit into this compartment. A lot of times I'll do breakfast cookies or muffins, then this fits perfectly in that container. I know it's not necessary, but it's just the little things that make mundane tasks more fun. So I'm excited about this. And I will definitely let you know if these are worth it. I'm super excited to use these. Next thing is the Trailhead snack container. This is a dual-sided design. So it has a container in the top for a smaller capacity. It says 0.4 cups. has a silicone lid in the middle and then a 1 cup capacity, which is kind of crazy how much this one holds. I'll have to show this in comparison to the other one in a little bit. So this is leak-proof, dishwasher-safe, plastic-free. Let's open this, and there is a high chance that I'll need to buy a second one of these for my other child. Okay, so this thing's bigger than I expected it to be. Here is the snack container. Again, this is a dark turquoise, not this blue color. And so you just pull it off. It has a little bit of a rim, but it's definitely a good seal. Okay, my kids can definitely seal that themselves. That's the one thing I was worried about. My kids are not that young. They're 6 and 7, and I needed something. Now the one thing is, so you hold the tab to get the top one. So it's just something I'll have to show my kids if they want to get the bottom one open first, to pull up on the tab and open this one. And then this one just easily comes off. But my big thing I was thinking is to do, for instance, apples down here and, you know, some peanut butter in here. And I like that it's a bigger cup so they can actually get it out without needing another utensil, which I might still pack one, or just 2 different types of things for the snack. My kids eat a super early lunch in school, and so their snack is normally pretty hefty too. So maybe we'll do fruit and then a treat up here. So I don't know, I really like this one. So I wanted to show the comparison of these two. These are pretty close to the same size. So this thermos, because it's a thermos, says hand wash only down below where this is dishwasher safe. But this one holds 12 ounces, 1.4 cups, volume total between the two. And this one holds 1.25 cups, 10 ounces. So this holds a little bit less, but it's insulated. So that makes sense. I feel like this magnet doesn't stick super well. Like I don't think it will fall off, but I don't know if I would pay extra for a magnet in the future for this guy. And it definitely doesn't stick onto this one as far as I can tell. So this one definitely fits in here. I would just be worried that it would come apart pulling it out. Yeah, so I definitely wouldn't store this one in this pocket. It's not made to be stored here, but just FYI. So the next thing I have to mention is I will not be opening this one at all. These are recalled by them. I think there was a sharp edge on the sides of this part. Pretty much this is a peeler, a finger guard, and a wavy chopper for kids to use. We have a really cool IKEA set that's a kid's knife with a little guard and a peeler. I can link it down below in the description. It's amazing and it's dirt cheap. I just wanted to see how this peeler compared, but they refunded, I think, everyone who bought them and sent us a shipping label. So now that I'm finally opening this will be shipped back to them. So if there's anything that was unclear or that you want more clarification on with any of these products, let me know in the comments down below and I will try my best to answer those for you. Like I said, I will be doing a follow-up video once I've used the products to give you an idea of how I like them. I really like Planetbox in general. I've been happy with all their products and their customer service is top notch, so I can't complain. And again, bought this all myself. They have no idea who I am. I just wanted to take a minute too to say thank you to all my subscribers that I do have. I'm just floored with how many people I have that have subscribed and are watching my videos, and it's just amazing. So thank you, and I hope you have a great day. Cheers.